Today, I would like to share all of you about CNC large program mazatrol course. You see, if you have some mazatrol which for 4" is 4" and the long 5.5". So is this the set competence 0.125? We work piece from Z.125 to Z0 H diameter 1.5", and then we align from this way to Z1.0, and then we line to Z2.5. we chamfer 0.25 degree, and then we line to Z4.25, and then H25. So we keep continue to lines H4 and then Z5.5. So this is the face for chamfer 0.05". So you can see program that I mentioned. So we start from program 0, still of OD. We start from 4 and ID 0, length 5.63. Work first 0.125, ATC mode 0 and RPM 3500. Diameter force. So we start program facing face and 90° for we cut down all materials and finish at 0.5". So we used figuration and roughing and finish roughing tool, nominant 1, finish 2, and then depth 0.1125, and then we keep continue for speed and 230H and figuration 0.00H8. M code order if the coolant on M1, we use M1, and then we use M water coolant on and then M1. So we keep writing programs starting from H4 to H0, and then we start from Z0.25 to Z0. Surface 4, you know that I mentioned, we start from this way 0.125 to 0 for Z, and H from 4 to 1.5. And the facing program 1. Program 2 is part of 90 degree, H from 4 to 0, 4 to 4 and Z0, and finish from 0.04 and 0.01 is that finished. So we use the tool roughing and finish. So we use the depth 0 at 4.5 and depth to 0.5, and speed we use 235 and figure 0.0096, and mh equivalent on m1 mh equivalent on. M1 is the optional stop the spindle. So we keep study about this. So you see this way from 8.4 to 8.25, and from Z1 to Z4 1.25. So keep study like this. So I think we understand about this. 8 from H, then I mentioned H4 to 1.5, from Z0 to Z8 is linked with chamfer 0.05 and surface 3. You see this one from 8.4 to 8.15, from Z0 to Z1 chamfer 0.06 45 degree. So we keep study about large chamfer 0.25, start from 8.125 to H 8.25, and Z from 1 to Z4.25 and surface 3. Keep study this the chamfer 0.25 45 degree from from H 1.2 to H 2.5, what 1.5 to H 2.5, from Z1 to Z4.25 this way. So in line 2 also we use the chamfer 0.05 from H2.5 to H4, from Z4.1.5 to 4.9 and surface 3 and finish. So you keep study from H2.5 to 4.0, so from this way 4.125 to 55. So this way, then I think that you understand about my explain about this course. It is easy from we use the per face, we use per hour. I think that to understand about it. Thank you for watching. Thank you.